underneath the brake pedal I've fitted one of these, so you know which pedal you're hitting.
Oh, I see. So there's no chance of unintended acceleration.
Yeah, that's a big problem. So,
am I pushing the right pedal? Yes, I am. There's an audible reminder. That's brilliant.
not only that, but the nature of the noise.
Yes, it's funny. When it comes to cadence braking.
Oh, that is lovely.
Because a cadence braking situation is a panic situation.
It's bad.
But that sprinkles some comedy into it.